I have a Samsung Galaxy Note 20 here. I'm going to show you how to transfer photos and videos from your Note 20 or Note 20 Ultra directly to your Apple computer or MacBook. Okay, very, very simple to do. Now, what I would suggest, in my opinion, the best way to do it, first thing you got to do is go ahead and download this right here. I'll put a link below where you can download it, but it's basically an Android file transfer. Once you download and install this, it's just like using a Windows computer. Every time you plug in your Note 20, everything's going to show up and you're going to be able to transfer your photos and videos right away. Okay, I find out this is the easiest method for me. Anyways, first thing you want to do is go ahead and grab your charging cable. Okay, now the thing is with the Note 20, it comes with a USB Type-C to USB Type-C. On the MacBook, I don't have a Thunderbolt or basically a USB Type-C connector. So do I have to use, of course I have a USB. So I have to use something like this, USB-A to a USB-C. Okay, so let me go ahead and plug this in to my MacBook here. Now, once I have this plugged in, let me go ahead and plug it in my Note 20 and then see if we get some kind of message that pops up here. Of course, your phone's going to have to be unlocked. I get a message right here. Okay, now you can see it says here, allow access to phone data. I'm going to go ahead and click on allow. And now we got to do is, so right away, you can see it pops up. If it happens like this, where when you click on OK, it goes off, just go back where the Android transfer file icon is. Just click on that, and we're still connected. Now from here, the thing is, photos and videos is under the DCIM folder, okay? So go ahead and double click DCIM. Now you can see I have camera and I have screenshots, okay? I have all my screenshots here, and under my camera is my regular photos and videos, okay? So I have 2 videos, 2 MP4s here, and I have 1 photo JPEG. So if I want to transfer it, like for example, if I just want to go ahead and bring it to the desktop, now I can just drag and drop, same thing as a Windows computer, okay? Or I can go ahead and go up here, create a new folder like that, and I can go ahead and select all of them. I can drag this directly onto my desktop. Now you can see on my desktop, which is on my MacBook, these are the 2 videos and photo is now on my actual MacBook. So now I can go ahead and edit those videos on my MacBook. There you go. Pretty simple. Good luck, guys.